When you examine the facts, you win. And when you can take those facts and explain them in a way that everyone can understand them, using common sense prevails. That's why Romney will win. Let's look at their debt. Nobody's talking about the debt. Is there a bigger problem? Nobody's talking about printing money. How big is a problem is our debt? On television, they'll always start throwing around billions and trillions of dollars, and it doesn't mean anything to anybody. It really doesn't. Look at these numbers. The U.S. tax revenue, $2,170 billion. Do you even know how much that is? The federal budget, $3,820 billion. Our new debt, $1.65 trillion. And then our budget cuts, $38 billion. Now, I can't relate to these numbers at all. Some will argue, well, we have to have some debt. Yes, but how much is too much? We don't know, because you can't relate to these numbers at all. Well, that's why we have QE 1, 2, and 3 and QE affinity. Really? Can we look at this just a little different? Let's make this. Okay, let's just make this your revenue, your family budget, your credit card debt, and then your recent budget cuts. Easy if I do a couple of things. If I erase all of the commas, and then I start erasing zeros. Let's see. Now you can understand it. All I've done is taken and reduced them to the same amount. Your revenue is $21,700 a year. But what you spent was $38,200. Your credit card debt is, no, it actually should be more than that. It should be $165,000. Your credit card debt. Is that right, Tiffany? Or is it 16,000? Oh, I'm sorry, it is 16,000 for the year. $16,000 you've added to the credit card. Recent budget cuts, $385. Really? Really? You can figure this one out. Everybody in America can agree with this one thing. If this is your family, they would be in crisis. Why? Common sense. You're spending too much. That's it. There isn't a financial advisor in America that would tell this family the solution to your problem is to run this credit card up. Run it up some more. You know how much this family's credit card now has on it? Does anybody say that we should run up more? They would suggest this. 38,000 needs to be on the top, not the bottom. You have to have this number smaller than this number, below $21,700. That's it. And then take that extra and quickly pay this off as fast as possible. That's the solution. It's just that easy. Everybody else will make it too complex. It's math.